You don't need an oven to make cookies. Do it like this next time. I'll place 3 eggs in a blender. Next, I'll add half a teaspoon of salt. Then, I'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. After that, I'll put half a cup of sugar. Now, I'll add a little bit of lime zest. I'll cover it and blend until the ingredients are incorporated. I'm sure you've never tried cookies as light, delicious, and easy to make as these. Don't miss out on this delight at home. You'll be impressed. Next, I'll add 3/4 of a cup of wheat flour. I'll also add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'll blend a bit more to incorporate all the ingredients. Now, with the help of a funnel, I'll pour our mixture into a bottle. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Then, I'll close the bottle. It's important to make a hole in the cap to dose the mixture. I love this recipe, and I'm sure you and your whole family will love it too. In a pan with some hot oil, I'll add a bit of our batter. In total, I'll make 3 portions at a time. I make this dessert every weekend, and every time I make it, there's nothing left because it's so amazing. I'll cover it and let it fry on one side. When it's fried, I'll turn it over to fry the other side. This recipe is perfect to enjoy with the whole family gathered after Sunday lunch. Once both sides are fried, I'll transfer it to a plate. You can make as many portions as you want. I made 8 here. Next, I'll take a portion and spread some guava jelly on it. I'll spread it on both sides. Then, I'll put another portion on top of the jelly. I'll add more guava jelly. Then, I'll roll our recipe in a plate with grated coconut. I'll cover the whole dessert. To finish, I'll add some chocolate sauce. Take the chance to tell me your favorite dessert. I'd love to know. Lastly, I'll add a cherry on top of all the portions. This is an incredible, quick, easy recipe with few ingredients. And best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason not to make it at home. My friends always ask me how to make it because the result is so amazing.